Cool. Can you imagine makukuthi ngangenza 1500 a day kumakhisha u4 yabona kusho ukuthi ngenza lapha ko 4500 bese ngithatha 1500 owodwa ngithenga ukudla kwalamakhishi kusho ukuthi already makuyophela inyanga sengenzile imali lapha ko 45000 kuya ko 60 bese ngikhiphela labasebenzi engizobaholela abangiphekelayo ngikhokhela abantu and so on ngithenga ukudla imali was based with my incentive phela. It was not based ekutheni nginayo imali noma nginayo. And the minute le mali ngiyibona ngenyanga every month ekhula, I was so encouraged. Nga realize ukuthi there is so much money. I can go out with you manje ngiye kumuntu lapha rank. Noma nawe masiphuma la ufika umbuzo ukuthi hey mama ngesuku wenza malini. Uzokutshela and you'll be amazed. Bese uthi uyenza le mali akutshela ukuthi ave ngixakekile ngani yami. Because akafundisiwe ngamandla emali ukuthi exakekeni kwakho ke sicela nje at least 300 rand a day. Okay, 30000 lakho kuxakeke ngalo ke nezidingo. But thina sinike u300 sikusavele wona so that ma uye bank ikusasa uthi ngicela imoto uthi usebenza phi uthi na i-transaction yami mina na imali engiyenzayo mawuye bank ikusasa uthi ngicela ukuthenga izitini ngakho umuzi wami sibe nomuzi ongcono a better life now bazokunika but mangabe you see ngake ngatshela abantu abafuna ukwakha ngathi uyazi fanele uyo deposit imali hardware as if uyabakweleta ubathembe ngemali yakho bazokuthemba nabo ngempahla yakho mangabe wena sowushodile impahla beyu 100000 kanti wena soke wafaka 50000 bazothi singamnika lo munye 50000 noma engakawukhokhi because wena waqale wabathemba ngemali is the same thing insurance works the same way uthi umuntu we-insurance mawufaka 30 rand la noma 50 rand mawusonenkinga ngizokunikeza u10000 is the same thing
that's true
ngoba wena ungithembe ngemali yakho umseleko nami ngizokuthemba ngeyami